Hey, this is Gerald Bowie, also known as Bowie, Second Income Academy, the Academy for Online Marketers Education, showing you the best solution for every marketer who's looking to find a second income and a better way to increase their online knowledge. You're here because you want to know the 3 simple marketing strategies to win the affiliate marketing game. Before we begin to talk about how to win the affiliate marketing game, we must first take a moment to understand what affiliate marketing is. An affiliate marketer's job is to market and promote other people's products for a percentage of the sale known as a commission. You are an affiliate by association of the product, and the act of marketing the product makes you an affiliate marketer. There are tons of great affiliates out there, but only a few great marketers. What's the difference? Great marketers make money for themselves, while others are like standing on like being a wallflower at a party, waiting on someone to dance. My goal is to get you to the floor, to the dance floor, and party like no one is looking. It starts with knowing what works, driving traffic as an affiliate. Let's focus on 3 methods that do work, starting with blog marketing. One of the best free ways an affiliate marketer can get started by making a second income in a relative medium to long period of time. A few great examples I can think of are Jeff Bulis at jeffbulis.com and Gary Vaynerchuk. Number 2 is pay-per-click marketing. This is the best direct online marketing campaign next to the offline marketing itself. There is nothing else that comes remotely close to these results. You can get a PPC specifically from Google PPC, pay-per-click. Pay-per-click marketing is a beast all on its own, so I recommend picking up a Perry Marshall book to get a firm grasp on everything about PPC. Offline marketing is number 3. Right now, there's a lot of buzz about internet marketing that isn't likely to change anytime soon. And what this means to you is this: you can sneak in from under the radar and dominate your online niche, promoting your business using offline methods like magazine ads, newspaper ads, postcards, and word of mouth. Many successful online marketers routinely use offline methods to generate the bulk of their sales online because of the severe lack of competition. Ironically, a lot of clueless online marketers assume offline methods are dead or extinct. Try telling that to the guy or gal down the street who's pulling in $50K a month with a few simple phone calls to the post office. There's a good reason why making money online is fast and simple way to reach your financial goals, and I just named 3 of them. Affiliate marketing is a beast, waiting to be tamed by smart marketers like yourself, using the marketing methods mentioned. But seriously, it doesn't need to be complicated. It just needs to take action. You just need to take action on what's proven to have worked for the last decade. I hope you enjoyed these valuable tips about 3 simple marketing strategies. If you got value, like this video and hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below, letting me know what's your biggest takeaway from the video. Last, don't forget to access my free guide in the description, showing you how to build and grow your second income business using this all-in-one special free report. Hey, talk to you soon. Take care.